Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that was recently asked in the exams. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a successful business person you know. You should say who this person is, how you knew him or her, what business he or she does, and explain why he or she is successful. So as you all can see, there are 4 questions attached to this cue card and we need to make sure that all of these 4 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So before we jump onto a sample answer that I have created for you all, let's first brainstorm a few ideas together. It's a very common tendency that when you get a question like this, you think about all the famous business people that you know of, maybe like Mukesh Ambani or maybe Ratan Tata or maybe Mark Cuban. So all of these entrepreneurs come to our mind. But if you are choosing any of these, you need to have a very good background and knowledge about all of these people. So if you do not have that much knowledge and information about them, then do not use them for this type of question. Rather, you can actually speak about someone from your personal experience, maybe your uncle or maybe your cousin, maybe some of your relatives whom you actually know of and you have seen them, so you can describe the business better and not fall short of ideas. So these are some of the ideas that I just came up with while I was reading the question. If you do have any other ideas, please do share in the comment box below. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. A successful businessman is a person who is able to accomplish the company goals and aspirations as well as earns profit for a firm during a financial year. And today, I would like to talk about my uncle, Mr. Pawan Gill, who is the owner of Gill Cement Industries. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given a little bit of an introduction as well as clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. So accomplish means to fulfill, goals means objectives or motives, and financial year is a business specific term which means the year in which you have earned the revenue. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, he is my father's best friend since school days and I know him since birth. Mr. Gill had set up his firm at a very young age with just few employees and selling only cement, which was their sole product, to builders and construction workers. So, sole product means that was their only product. So, we have used a better vocabulary word here. Alright, so let's continue. However, with his hard work, commitment, and dedication, the firm has expanded to a large extent and currently employs over 1,000 workers as well as supplies all kinds of building materials, including cement, gravel, timber, concrete, and steel, not just to India but also to countries outside the nation. So as you all can see, we have used some very good adjectives here like commitment, dedication. Also, we have avoided repeating the word business again and again. We have used business, corporation, firm, company. So you can add all of these synonyms to your vocabulary list as well. And next time when you are practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and write it down as I am saying so that you will not forget it for the next time. Also, for workers, we have used employees as a synonym. Alright, so let's continue. Besides that, the company has steep profit margins and high turnover rates, contributing further to its affluence. So steep means high. So we have used a better vocabulary word. And affluence means to the prosperity of the business or to the success of the business. So we have answered the first three questions, which is who this person is, how you knew him or her, and what business he or she does. In fact, we have given a very good and relevant elaboration for the third question, which is what business he or she does. Now, the last question, which is explain why he or she is successful, still remains. So let's answer that. He also offers great compensation benefits to his workers along with the added perks of an annual international vacation package offered to the outstanding employee at the corporation. So compensation benefits mean salaries or remuneration. Perks means added advantages and outstanding means someone who has performed very well. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, I feel that he is a modest human being, treats and respects his workmen equally, and also supports them during times of need, all of which have contributed to the overall growth, fame, and success of his enterprise and made him a lucrative entrepreneur. So, modest means someone who is grounded, humble. Contribute means to add to something. Enterprise is another synonym for saying firm or business. An entrepreneur means businessman. Lucrative means someone who is wealthy, has lots of money. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.